This is lesson 1.4, order of operations with grouping symbols, example 1. And as I stated, we are doing order of operations with grouping symbols, and we are finding the value of each expression here. I'm actually going to move this up since my face is in the way of us doing actual math. So we've got two expressions here. We have this one over here on the left, which is 5 times 3 plus 4 minus 8. And we have 30 plus 1 plus 3 squared divided by 2. And remember that our completed order of operations is giants eat massive donuts as snacks. And if you come up with your own, if you want to come up with your own mnemonic device, you can. Otherwise, you're welcome to use giants eat massive donuts as snacks, or Grant eats massive donuts as snacks, or something. Just remember grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. So let's go ahead and start with this one on the left. The first thing we need to do, according to our order of operations, is grouping symbols. So we're going to start here with grouping symbols. In this case, parentheses, 3 plus 4. So before we do any multiplication or subtraction, we're going to do 3 plus 4. So the 5 is going to sit there and do nothing. Plus 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 8. Now, the next order of business is exponents. There's no exponents in here. So multiply and divide from left to right. 5 times 7 is 35 minus 8. If I can write, please. And then we have, last but not least, addition and subtraction. 35 minus 8 is going to be 27. I'm having a lot of difficulties writing here. 7 equals 27. Now let's look at this one over here on the left. Again, we're going to start with grouping symbols, as we always do. Grouping symbols, 1 plus 3 is within the grouping symbols in the parentheses, so we're going to do it first, before the exponent, before the division, before the addition. 30 stays the same, plus, this is 1 plus 3, so 4, and that's going to be squared, divided by 2. And that was grouping symbols, check. Now we need to do exponents. We have an exponent, so let's go ahead and do it. This one right here. 30 stays the same. 30 plus, what is 4 squared? Well, 4 squared equals 4 times 4, which equals 16. So that's 16 divided by 2. That was that, so check off that, check off that. Now we're doing multiplication and division. So the 30 plus stays the same, but we're going to do 16, I should be doing this in a different color, 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And now I can do addition and subtraction. 30 plus 8 is 38. So this one equals 38. And you can see, sort of, that I've kind of got my upside-down triangle shape here. Kind of got it here, too. Going down, going down. If you push it up against a wall like this guy, that's fine. Still got an upside-down triangle, sort of. But I have my equation, my expression getting thinner and thinner until I get to the very end. And my answer should be sitting down here at the bottom, like it is, like so.